Namaste and welcome to Sutra Network. Sanatan Dharma is the most beautiful culture in the world. Indeed, Hinduism and Sanatan Dharma have been experiencing a notable global resurgence, attracting increasing interest worldwide. According to a research, Hinduism, the world's third largest religion, is projected to grow from over 1 billion adherents in 2010 to nearly 1.4 billion by 2050. The growth is particularly evident in regions like North America, Europe, and the Middle East, North Africa, where Hindu populations are expected to rise significantly. For instance, in North America, the number of Hindus is anticipated to increase from 2.3 million in 2010 to 5.9 million by 2050, marking a 160% growth rate. Now, talking about the term Sanatan Dharma, meaning eternal religion, has gained prominence in India and beyond. It emphasizes timeless spiritual principles and practices that transcend sectarian division. This resurgence is partly attributed to the efforts of various Hindu organizations and spiritual leaders who have been promoting these ideals both domestically and internationally. Cultural and spiritual relevance. Sanatana Dharma's appeal lies in its inclusive and philosophical approach to spirituality. It offers a framework that resonates with individuals seeking deeper meaning, ethical living, and a connection to ancient wisdom. The global interest is also reflected in the establishment of Hindu temples and cultural centers across various countries, fostering a sense of community and shared values among practitioners. Hinduism is an umbrella term for a range of Indian religious and spiritual traditions, as well as cultures. The word Hindu is an exonym, and while Hinduism has been called the oldest surviving religion in the world, it has also been described by the modern term Sanatan Dharma. There isn't a difference in the core concepts, but rather in terminology. Hinduism is a term given by outsider, but while Sanatan Dharma is the traditional term used by practitioners to refer to their way of life, emphasizing eternal principles, universal duties, and an ancient timeless truth. The term Hindu was used by outsiders to describe the people living by the Indus River, and later the British added the suffix is, giving it a distinct religious identity. Sanatana Dharma is a Sanskrit term meaning eternal, universal, ancient, or unshakable dharma. Dharma does not mean religion in the Abrahamic sense, but a universal righteous responsibility, a path of righteousness, or eternal laws of living. It's used by many followers, particularly more orthodox Hindus, to emphasize the ancient and timeless nature of their way of life and beliefs. Relationship to Hinduism. Sanatana Dharma represents the enduring and universal principles and laws that are the core what is known in the West as Hinduism. It is the traditional name for what is now commonly known as Hinduism. Unlike a religion with a single founder or historical origin point, it's considered a timeless philosophy and a way of living that has no beginning or end. The origins of Sanatana Dharma are not tied to a single event or person. Instead, it is seen as an organic and continuous evolution of thought and practice in the Indian subcontinent. Its roots are found in Indus Valley civilization. Archaeological findings suggest that early religious practices, such as ritual bathing and fire worship, and symbols like the figure resembling a proto Shiva, were present in this ancient civilization. Vedic period. This is the foundational period. The Vedas, a collection of hymns, rituals, and philosophical texts, were orally composed and transmitted for centuries before being written down. These texts form the core scriptures of the tradition. Upanishadic period. This era marked a shift from ritualistic practices to a deeper philosophical inquiry. The Upanishads introduced key concepts like Brahman, Atman, Karma, and Moksha. Foreigners embracing Hinduism. Foreigners are increasingly adopting Hinduism or Sanatana Dharma around the world. This is driven by several factors, including a search for spiritual meaning and interest in practices like yoga and meditation, and the influence of various modern Hindu movements. How Hinduism is spreading. Unlike many other religions, Hinduism is not a proselytizing faith. It does not actively seek converts. Instead, its spread among non-Indians is often described as an embrace or reversion, rather than a traditional conversion. This is because Sanatana Dharma, meaning the eternal way, is viewed by its followers as a universal path rather than a set of exclusive doctrines. The global spread of Hinduism is primarily happening in three ways. First, migration and diaspora, the movement of millions of Hindus from the Indian subcontinent to other parts of the world, especially the West. has established vibrant Hindu communities. These communities build temples and cultural centers, which serve as hubs for spiritual and cultural exchange, drawing in locals. Second, new Hindu movements. Beginning in the 19th century and accelerating in the 20th century, charismatic gurus and spiritual teachers like Swami Vivekananda, Paramahansa Yogananda, and A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, founder of ISKCON, began to introduce Hindu philosophies and practices to a Western audience. Their organizations, such as the International Society for Krishna Consciousness and Self Realization Fellowship, have been particularly successful in attracting followers from various backgrounds. Third, cultural elements. Aspects of Hindu culture have become mainstream across the globe, often detached from the religious context. The most prominent example is yoga, which is now widely practiced as a form of exercise and wellness, meditation, Ayurveda, and vegetarianism, all of which have roots in Sanatana Dharma, have also gained significant popularity, often serving as an entry point for people to explore the deeper philosophies of Hinduism. According to a Pew Research Center study, the Hindu population has been growing in several regions outside of India. North America. Between 2010 and 2020, the Hindu population in North America rose by a significant 55%, reaching 3.6 million. The growth is largely attributed to migrants. The study also notes that the US has the highest accession rate into Hinduism among the countries analyzed, with 8% of American Hindus saying they were raised outside of the faith. Europe. Europe also saw a considerable increase in its Hindu population, which rose by 30% to 2.2 million over the same period. Middle East, North Africa. This region experienced the fastest growth rate for Hindus at 62%, reaching 3.2 million almost entirely due to migrant workers. The growing trend of embracing Hinduism and Sanatana Dharma worldwide signifies a collective search for spiritual depth and universal truth. As more individuals explore these traditions, the global landscape of religious and spiritual practices continues to diversify, highlighting the enduring relevance of ancient philosophies in the modern world. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, tap the bell icon and visit our website